Here is a grading tip for the internal rules function. Normally, you can use internal rules to calculate grading rules for internal elements. The elements are trimmed immediately. But you can also do it without trimming. I'll show you how. Here is a pocket that has been added to the pants. It should be graded parallel to the side seam and be the same width in all sizes. Deactivate the Trim Internal Lines parameter. If you now use the internal rules function, the lines will be graded but no longer trimmed. The pocket is graded. The front rules are oriented towards the side seam. That fits. We do not use the back rules. To ensure that the pocket is graded with the same width, transfer the front rules to the back. The result is as desired. The pocket is graded parallel to the side seam and the pocket width is the same for all sizes. It's up to you. You can get right to your goal without any trimming.